Hello student, Hemen sir is here. So now we are going to understand how to extract the very reactive metal. Okay. So now we will understand the extraction of reactive metals. So we have to write the heading, the extraction of reactive metals. So what are reactive metals? So those metals, they are on the top of the reactivity series are called as reactive metals. We already understood in our previous videos in same chapter only. Okay. So what are reactive metals? Those metals, they are situated or present at the top of the reactivity series are called as reactive metals. So in top of the series we have potassium, we have sodium, we have calcium, we have magnesium, aluminium, etc. So all these are the reactive metals. That's why they present in our nature in combined state. Okay, these metals are present in our nature in combining state or combined state because they are reactive metals. ये कभी individual नहीं रहेगी. They will react with another metal or non-metals to form their compounds. Okay, so ये हमेशा compound के form में ही present रहेंगे. Okay, so these are the reactive metals. अब इन्हीं metal का हमको extraction पढ़ना है. So in our syllabus we have extraction of sodium and extraction of aluminium. Okay, so now we will understand the extraction of sodium metal. Okay, so so we have already understood the leaching process. First, by leaching process we have to concentrate the ore of the given material or given metal. Like aluminium का अगर metal है, that is bauxite, we have to concentrate the metal first. But now we have to understand the extraction of sodium first. So sodium metal is or reactive metal are extracted by the electrolytic reduction method. You know electrolytic reduction? So in electrolytic reduction method, the reactive metals are first converted into their molten salt form. Okay, like sodium is present in NaCl form. Suppose it is in NaCl form. So तो सोडियम को हम सबसे पहले इसके सॉल्ट के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, दैट इज इन सोडियम क्लोराइड के फॉर्म में हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ओके, देन बाय इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिडक्शन ऑफ NaCl वी कैन गेट सोडियम मेटल इन इट्स प्योर स्टेट. ओके, सो हमने क्या किया, पहले सोडियम मेटल को उसके मेटल के सॉल्ट के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया. नाउ वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिडक्शन फर्स्ट. So in electrolytic reduction we are using the electrolytic tank. It is the electrolytic tank. Here the sodium metal के salt का हम या तो molten form लेंगे या फिर हम use करेंगे उसका salt का form. So we are taking the salt form of NaCl. तो जब NaCl को हम यहाँ पर salt के form में लेंगे तो ब्रेक डाउन होगा और फॉर्म करेगा सोडियम का पॉजिटिव आयन and chlorine का negative ion. So metal have tendency to lose electron, that's why they form their positive ions. इसीलिए हम metals को electropositive भी कहते हैं. Okay. After that we have to use two different electrode. Okay. So it is one electrode and it is another electrode. Okay. And these electrode are then connected with the external source of electricity. एक्सटर्नल सोर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कॉल्ड बैटरी. सो यहाँ पर जो लॉन्ग वाली जो लाइन से हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, इट इज द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द सेल एंड द स्मॉलर लाइन रिप्रेजेंट द नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द सेल. द इलेक्ट्रोड विच इज कनेक्टेड विद द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द सेल इज कॉल्ड एज एनोड. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, एनोड. And the electrode which is connected with the negative terminal of the cell or battery is called as cathode. तो ये जो electrode है इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा, cathode. Okay, so we have anode, cathode, it is battery, it is the circuit and यहाँ पर हमने key दे दिया, key, so that we can time to time switch on and switch off the supply of current. Okay. Now here the positive and negative ions of Na and Cl are present, that is anion and cation. So see here anode, it is positively charged, it is the positively charged electrode and it is the negatively charged electrode. Okay, so जब ये positively charged है तो पॉजिटिव की तरफ कौन से आयन अट्रैक्ट होंगे? नेगेटिवली चार्ज, दैट इज क्लोरीन आयन विल अट्रैक्ट towards the anode when we will switch on the light or switch on the current. Okay, so negative ions will attract towards the anode and positive ion will attract towards the cathode. Okay, because we know opposite charges attract each other and same charges repulse each other. Okay, so now we have to know, we have to understand the reaction at anode and the reaction at cathode. Okay, so now we have to understand the reaction at anode. Reaction at anode. So anode is positively charged, तो उसके पास कौन आएगा? Negatively charged ion, that is anion. अब anion कौन है? It is chlorine. Chlorine का negative ion. See, chlorine का negative ion will लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज करेगा एंड विल फॉर्म क्लोरीन गैस. क्या फॉर्म करेगा? क्लोरीन गैस. एंड क्लोरीन गैस यहाँ पर बबल्स फॉर्म होंगे एंड क्लोरीन गैस अल्टीमेटली विल रिलीज इन एटमॉस्फेयर. ओके, सो इन ऑर्डर टू बैलेंस द रिएक्शन, हियर Cl2 दो क्लोरीन का एटम है and here we have only one, so we have to multiply here by 2. Okay, and here two chlorine atoms are combined to form chlorine gas. अब एक क्लोरीन एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज करेगा, so we have two chlorine, so here we have to write 2 electrons. Okay, so this is the balance reaction. So in this reaction इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या हो रहे हैं? लूज हो रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज हो रहे हैं. That's why the anode reaction is called as oxidation reaction. The loss of electron is oxidation and gain of electron is reduction. Okay, so here we can write Cl negative ion loses electron to form chlorine gas, and it is the oxidation reaction. It is oxidation reaction. Okay, so this is the oxidation reaction. Now we have to understand the reaction at cathode. Reaction at cathode. See, these electrons which are loosed by chlorine ion, they will pass from the electrode, then circuit, then battery, and then again circuit, and they will reach to the cathode and will make it more negative charge. अब कैथोड के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज है तो कैथोड के पास अट्रैक्ट कौन होगा? पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयन, दैट इज सोडियम आयन. So sodium ion will attract towards the cathode. That's why this positively charged ion is called as cation. That is cation. Okay. So see, the electron which are loosed by chlorine, they are already reached here. So sodium will gain those electron. यहाँ पर जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है उनको कौन गेन करेगा? सोडियम पॉजिटिव आयन and will form सोडियम मेटल. सोडियम मेटल को फॉर्म करेगा एंड सोडियम मेटल इज डिपॉजिटेड एट कैथोड. कैथोड के ऊपर सोडियम मेटल क्या हो जाएगी? डिपॉजिट हो जाएगी और यहाँ पे जो बबल है वो क्लोरीन गैस के वो रिलीज हो रहे हैं. ओके, Cl2, यहाँ पर क्लोरीन गैस रिलीज हो रही है और यहाँ पर सोडियम मेटल डिपॉजिट हो रहा है. ओके, सो हियर इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या हो रहा है? गेन हो रहा है एंड गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज कॉल्ड एज रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. सो सोडियम पॉजिटिव आयन gains electron and reduce to form sodium metal. Okay, so we can say the sodium is deposited at cathode. Okay, so here the oxidation reaction and here reduction reaction, which reaction takes place simultaneously? Here oxidation and here reduction reaction takes place at the same time. That's why we are saying they are the simultaneous reaction. And we know the oxidation reaction plus reduction reaction is called as redox reaction. So we can see that oxidation plus reduction equals to redox reaction. In redox, Rad is taken from the reduction and OX is taken from the oxidation. Okay, so reduction and oxidation reaction. Okay, so this is the way. And see the metal which is deposited at cathode, which is then separated out and stored under the kerosene. उसको kerosene में deposit करते हैं because atmospheric oxygen से react करके ये again oxide बनाएगी and water के साथ react करके ये हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर्म करेगी एंड उस समय हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज होती है. दैट हाइड्रोजन गैस इज वेरी वेरी फ्लेमेबल एंड जैसे ही हाइड्रोजन गैस एयर के कांटेक्ट में आती है इट कैचेस फायर. दैट्स व्हाई द रिएक्शन that's why the sodium metal which is deposited in kerosene oil. Okay, so this is the way how the reactive metals are extracted. Okay, so can you tell me और दो examples दिए हुए हैं. We have to write this type of reaction for the extraction of calcium as well as for the extraction of magnesium. So we will understand those reaction also. Okay, so write down. You have to draw this diagram and you have to write down the anode reaction as well as cathode reaction. Okay, so write down. Now we have to see the oxidation and reduction reaction, that is electrolytic reduction reaction for the calcium metal. So calcium first converted into its salt form, that is in calcium chloride form. So when calcium chloride will dissociate to form calcium 2 plus ion and 2 chlorine negative ion, ये form होंगे. So again the anode reaction, so anode is positively charged electrode. So which ion will attract towards the positive electrode? The chlorine ion. So 2 chlorine ion when loses electron they form chlorine gas and 2 electrons are lost by them. Okay, so here electron क्या हो रहे हैं? लूज हो रहे हैं. That means it is oxidation reaction. It is oxidation reaction. Now this is the first reaction. Now second reaction. So cathode reaction. Cathode reaction. So what is cathode reaction? Cathode is negatively charged electrode. So which ion will attract towards the cathode? The positively charged. That means calcium ion. So calcium ion have two positive ions, two positive charge. It will lose 2 electrons and will form calcium metal which is in solid form. Okay, so here electrons are gained by calcium ion. That's why it is called as reduction reaction. It is reduction reaction. Okay, so again this is the same way at the same time, or we can say simultaneously, reduction and oxidation reaction takes place at the same time in electrolytic reduction of calcium. Okay, so now we have another example of magnesium chloride, MgCl2. For the extraction of metal we are using the same method. Again the first reaction is anode reaction. Anode reaction, when MgCl2 is going to break down will form Mg2 plus ion and 2 chlorine negative ion. Okay, so anode positive है, so chlorine will attract towards the anode. So 2 Cl negative will form chlorine gas and 2 electrons are lost by that. The see here again electron क्या हो रहा है, lose हो रहा है, that means it is again oxidation reaction. Okay, second reaction of the extraction of magnesium in electrolytic reduction process. So now we will see the cathode reaction. Cathode reaction. So cathode is negatively charged. So which ion will attract towards the cathode? The positively charged, that is Mg2 plus. So Mg2 plus ion will gain 2 electrons to form magnesium metal in solid form. See, it is magnesium metal. Magnesium ion gains electron to form magnesium metal. That's why it is reduction reaction. Okay, so this is the way how oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously in extraction of reactive metals. Okay, so these are given in your activity part. Okay, so write down this reaction also. Okay, so students, we have already understood how to extract the very reactive metals which are present in top of our reactivity series. Okay, so tomorrow or in next video we are going to understand the extraction process or complete extraction process of aluminum, starting from the concentration of ore to the extraction of aluminum in its pure form. Okay, so write down this reaction.